So for video editing, there are two apps that you can use. In fact, there are many apps that you can use, but me personally, I like to use INSHOT. Most of my videos I use INSHOT because it's beginner friendly, it's simple, and it's flexible enough to work around with. Click on the INSHOT app, click on the video since you want to edit a video. Okay, so let me just pick this one and use it as an example. Now for this video, there are so many features here. Okay, as you can see on the screen: canvas, music, sticker, text, filter, pip, so many of them, so many features. But don't worry, these features are really simple to use. Okay, you just have to practice, and before you know it, you're good to go. So the first one here is Canva. Canva is all about the shape of your video. Here on the screen we have this 9 by 16 size. Okay, so you can choose to make it the size of YouTube, which is 16 by 9, or Instagram 4 by 5, or even Facebook. Okay, so but the size on the screen currently is 9 by 16, which is the size of TikTok, and it can also be used on Facebook as well. Okay, so just choose whatever shape you want to work with. Okay, that should be like the first thing you should check. Okay, so you already have where you want to post your video, and choose the shape that works with that particular social media platform. Okay, so this is all about the Canva. For the music, all you have to do is, this is the music icon, we have the effect, and we also have the record. Now for the music, if you want to include a music to your phone, all you have to do is click on the music icon, and you see something like this. If you already have the music on your phone, click on my music, and you can select whichever music you want to add, or you can also extract the music, extract audio from video. Like you already have a video on your phone and you want to use the music in that particular video, click on here, then select whichever video that you want to extract the music from, and it will automatically be extracted. Okay, and you just save it or use it on your video. These are imported ones, like the ones you already extracted from videos and you saved them. Okay, so you can actually import and save them so that you don't have to like keep on extracting video or the same audio all the time all over again. For the record, all you have to do is click on the record icon. Like you don't want the music playing on the video, you want to like say something on the video, then just click on the record icon here, and just like it's moving 1 2, and then it will start. So you can start saying whatever it is that you want to say. Okay, start saying whatever it is that you want to say, and it will be recording. Once you want to stop, you just click on the stop button and it will stop. Okay, that is how to use the music icon. The next one is sticker. For this sticker, you just have to click on the sticker icon here, and it will take you to here. You have the sticker, the text, and the detail. Now for the sticker, all you have to do is click on the sticker and you can select any sticker that you want to add to your video. Okay, if you're doing your YouTube video, you want to add this, you can select the sticker. You can select anything that you want to add to your video. And there is also this GIF here, so you can also click on the GIF and you will see stuffs like this. Okay, note that if you want to use the sticker icon or the GIF icon, this uses data. Okay, but every other thing doesn't require data. But if you want to add these stickers to your video, then you have to like on your data. If not, it will not load. All these videos that comes in between videos, like all these funny memes or GIFs. Okay, these are all here. All you have to do is type whatever one that you want, and it will bring out different videos or GIFs for you to select from. Once you're done with that, just click OK. Then for the text, all you have to do is select the text that you want. You can type whatever it is that you want to type, and you can choose the font that you want. Okay, there are lots of fonts here. Whichever one that works for you. Okay, just select the font that you like, and click on OK, and you're good to go. Now let's move to the filter. The filter here is all about changing the color of your video. You can choose whichever one that works best for you, or you can as well choose to adjust it. Adjust means you have to do it manually. Okay, increasing the lightness, the contrast, the warmth. There are so many of them. Even sharpen, you can also sharpen your video if your video is very blurry. Okay, so these are just features that you can walk around with. Okay, you can choose to reduce the shadow if your video has shadow. Okay, this is the shadow icon. Just click on it and adjust it to the way you want it, and that is it. For the effect, okay, this effect is, you can choose to edit how far it zooms in or reduce it, whichever one that you want. Did you notice it? This is
Please, can you borrow me?
So this is how to add some of those effects. There are lots of them. Okay, so you can choose whichever one that works for you. Some are free and some are not free if you're not using the pro version. For the PIP is all about adding video or photo on top of your screen, on top of the video that is already playing. This feature is mostly used by bloggers. Something like this, let me give you guys an instance. Okay, if I have something like this, like I want it to be playing on top of my video, okay, or alongside my video. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. Did you notice something? So this is all about PIP. You can choose to crop it, to remove the volume, to cut it out, the parts that you don't want. You can also use the filter, okay, or you can even split it, so you can walk around. The same way you edit a video is the same way you can actually edit your PIP. So the next one here is split. It's all about splitting your video. For instance, okay, let me remove some of these things that I have here already. Okay, let me remove the sticker, the text, and the PIP, so that I can, okay, I have the zoom effect, so let me remove it as well. So this is what we are left with. All you have to do is click on the video, and then once it gets to the split, or where you want to split or cut it, you click on the split, and as you can see, we have two separate videos. They are now two, so you can choose to delete whichever one that you want to, that you do not need in your video. Okay, so that is all about the split icon. You can as well go back to undo whatever it is that you have done. So you can also delete. Okay, this is the delete icon. Delete whichever one you want to delete. Then speed is all about, you can either increase the speed or you increase it, decrease or you increase it. So for the crop effect, you can also adjust it by yourself. If you're not able to use the Canva, you can do the cropping by yourself. That is what the crop is all about. Then for the volume, you can increase or decrease the volume. The replace, yeah, you can choose to replace your video. Like here now, I want to replace this video. Maybe for some reasons I no longer want to edit this particular one. Just click on the replace, and you choose whichever one that you want to replace it with, and that is it. It will be replaced automatically. Then for the duplicate, all you have to do is highlight, select the video, okay, and then click on duplicate, and you see it's two instead of one. It will become two. If you continue to click on the duplicate feature, it will continue to duplicate, become more and more. It will keep on adding up just like that. For the reverse, you already know what reverse is all about. Okay, it starts to play from the end, okay, to the beginning. So that is all about the reverse. For the rotate, okay, you can choose to rotate it whichever one that works for you. Okay, so this is all about the rotate. These INSHOT features are really very flexible. It's beginner friendly, and that is why I love it so much. Then you can also choose to flip your video. Did you notice any difference? Okay, this was the original state of this video, and this is the flipped stage of it. Then for the freeze, you can choose to freeze a particular part of your video. Let me take for instance here now, this particular point where I have this line, I want to freeze it. So all I have to do is I click on the freeze, and you see it will become freeze in the sense that once it gets there, it works, it becomes a picture, like no movement, it stands still for that period. Okay, did you notice something? Then it continues. Then once that freeze part is gone, the video continues to play. So these are just some of the features, or all of the features, or basically what you need as a content creator, an editor, or if you're just starting out on the editing journey. These are all you need to do. These are all things that you need to know when it comes to editing with your INSHOT. And trust me, it's super easy, super simple, and very flexible. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. If you have any questions or any video that you want me to make concerning video editing whatsoever, please feel free to drop your questions or your comment. Leave a comment in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button, share to your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next. Bye.